Good morning. Happy morning. Thank you for watching. Coffee. Let's drink coffee. Morning. Happy my ass. What? Ah? What do you want? I know the plans. Really plan. Good morning. Now, what are you eating? Bread. I ate bread. Like bread. Uh, hey, first name. Hi, first name. You like this? Jose Alvera. Hi, Michael Josan. Thank you. Kiss me. I can make it. Okay. Where are you from, Jose? I give you 10,000 pesos. Why you give me? Why you give me, Michael? You is beautiful. Why you say that I'm beautiful? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Where are you from, Michael? Taga saan ka? Morning. Good morning, May. I'm from Philippines, Michael. Michael, can you speak English? Do you know how to speak in English? Hi, May from team. Me, America. Me, I'm from Philippines. Where do you live in America? Hi, team. Good morning from May. Me, Tarzan. Cheryl and Tim. Cheryl and Tim. You poor or rich? Oh, Michael. Sorry, I'm just poor. Sorry, Michael. I'm just poor. Why you say that? Michael. Look my place. Obviously. Michael, she is poor. Why you say that? Why you asking like that? I feel hurt. Shut up. Pico side. Hello, sweetheart. Hi, Pico side. I will give you. I give you 10,000. 10,000 later. Later. 10,000. You need to 10,000. You need to give me a 10,000. I have no time to read. I invite both of you, Cheryl and Tim. My baby's birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, dang dang. Chili dang, chili dang dang. Michael, she doesn't have pan. She is too far. Filipino, Janelle Mala. Atim, my May's baby, she's birthday today. Second birthday. Yeah, May, let me go get on the plane. Filipino ka pa. Yes po, Janelle. Filipino. Proud Pinoy. Proud Pinoy. Maliban sa corruption. Mayaman na sana ang Pilipinas kung wala lang corrupt. Serious bro? I'm poor. Serious bro? I'm poor. Yes, serious bro? Yes. Save me a piece of a cake. Yes. Yes, Tim. Okay lang yan. Thank you, Janelle, Mala. Basta may bahay, yes. May bahay, may pinagkakitaan. Okay na yan. Sipagan lang hanggang sa umangat-angat. Sipag lang. Sipag lang. Huwag lang mga apak ng iba para lang mga ganon, mga ganon. Michael, if you're poor, how are you gonna give her money? Yes. Ganda mo po. Thank you, Janelle, Mala. Thank you so much po. You know, crush? Bata pa to si Michael, for sure. I know, crush. Wow, good morning. Good morning, Rodrigo. How are ya? How are you? You busy? You busy at your work, Rodrigo? Big hug for you. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. See you because busy today. Yes. Makikano ako mamaya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tatilin. Baby Jocelyn. Sige, karaon kita doon. Doon. Oh, sige, sige. Me, how old today? Today, she's 2 years old. Years old. Oh, okay. Happy birthday, Jacqueline. Well, miss you a long time. Thank you, Rodrigo. Tralalili, tralala. Orca, lorca, lorca, popo, ripato, coco, panto, ilipanto. See you. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. See you later. Team. Michael, go away or I will put you away. Gusto lang magyabang ni Michael that even his poor, he can give 10,000 pesos. Aray ko po. I will be back. Okay. Thank you, Michael. Don't cry, please. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Laziness. She won. Why I cry, my God? Laugh out loud. Joke. You're joking. I'm mad you cry. How I cry, oh my God. He's joking. I mean, don't make me cry. Wait lang. 8:30 in the evening there. 8:30. Here, 7:30 to 1. Same, the 24 at 23 hours behind. Letter plays. Hi, Te. How is your day? Hi, letter plays. My day is a good day. Have a nice day. Wala na masabi. Here, 6:30 p.m. Yes, 6:30. 1 p.m. in the morning. In the evening. Hi, nag-subscribe ko po. Hi, thank you, Janelle. Mala for subscribe my channel. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, guys. Please. Thank you. And like, thank you po. Good evening, wherever you are. Saan ka man naroon? Can you show me your son? My son is playing outside. Only one son playing outside. Basketball. Hi, hello Michael. Letter, no letter. Okay, thank you. Letter please. Ate English ka po at bata mo. Hindi. Tagalog, Bicol. Nag-English ako kasi yung ano ko dito is English. So I need to speak English. Janelle. Thank you. How old is he? 9 years old. My son is 9 years old. Kresna. Hi, Kresna from Indonesia. Thank you, Indonesia for watching. From Indonesia for watching. Anong trabaho mo? It's very complicated. No. No share. Okay, Tagalog ako, Tilonggo. Okay. Pero marunong ka mag-English. He is too young. Yes. He's too young. I don't know, Manika. I don't know how to speak Indonesian and even understand the Indonesian language. Sorry, Krishna. Can you Tagalog? Ako din. Trabaho ka sa akin kay sundalo ako. Sundalo. Tagapagtanggol ng bayan. Saan ka na-assign? Saan ka nagtatrabaho bilang sundalo sa Amerika, sa Pilipinas, or saan ka na destino? Michael. Ako mo, Michael. Ulo mo, Michael. Sundalo ka sa Amerika. Saan sa Amerika? Ako, grade 3 pa ako. You're too young, Janelle, Mala. Bata mo pa pala. Sa Krishna, sorry, Krishna, I don't understand Indonesian language. So, sorry. Sorry, my love, if I broken your heart last night. At Vice President ako. Ako, grade 3 pa ako. At Vice President ako, wow. Ako, graduate na ako. Michael, saan ka sa, sa Amerika? Mais ka. Of course, graduate ka na, Michael. Sabi mo, nagtatrabaho ka na. Oh, malamang, graduate ka na, my God. Nagbibiro ka eh. Nag-joke ka. Hula, amigas. Hula-hula. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Doc. Thank you, Doc, for joining here again. How are you, Doc? Pwede ba sa Chicago, America? Ah, ganun ba? Gracias. Gracias muchos. Papa Pandesal. Someone selling that. No, that's why they make outside. Papa Pandesal. I'm good today. How is your morning? My morning to this Doc. Wonderful morning. Morning. Beautiful morning, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Gracia means salamat at hola amigos. Kumusta friend? Yes. Gracia. Oh. Thank you, Janelle. Are you studying Spanish language? It's a Spanish, Spain, Spanish. Tama ba? May tama din ako. From mama na kisundalo pa rin. Mama, kuhaan ko ito na cellphone kanina.
Balik mo naman.
Okay. Ano yan to? Dito pwede niya yagan. Kaya may files ako dito.
Pagdili ko na yung pagkabalik ng po. Ito yun yung tatay mo.
Yes, I'm studying Spanish on YouTube. Oh, wow. That's great. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Have you had breakfast? Yes, I have a coffee and a bread. I drink coffee and a bread. Ensaymada from I buy this Mr. Donut. Nakaudo na ako. Ano ba yun? Namatian. My food today is good. What's your name? My name is LeBron James. Michael. I thought you are Michael Tyson. Wrong mob, Michael. I know LeBron James. Shut up if you are LeBron James. Don't be, My name is Janelle Mala E. Hesent. Wow. Bakit isa ka lang dyan? Opo, kasi mag-isa lang naman talaga ako, kasama ko yung anak ko. Haha. Joke lang yun. Of course naman. Sino maniniwala sa joke mo? My name Janelle, how old are you? Janelle, how old are you, Janelle? Eight years old. Why? You're too young, Janelle. Because you're done here now. Yep. Oh. I am too young to be here. Hi, dog. How old are you, dog? Eight?
Ay, mo na nabakasan.
No, he's not 8 years old, Tim. Oh my God. $57. Yes, 57. Thank you, dog. Same age, Tim. Doc, Tim is same age. Thank you for the 6 people watching. Tim is 67. Yeah. How is your feet? My feet is fine. My feet is fine.
Ano pa ba yan?
Akain na ano mo.
Ano, nag-iima daw kay Kuya.
Iro-iro ba mo siya? Nakain na paparo.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys.
Sabihin mo lang dun. Ikapat na dun ang Oscar.
Tatanong ng isip, pero maintindihin kung anong nararamdaman. Dapat mong malaman, walang hanggan. Asahan mo kahit kailan di kita iwan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan. Nice moment. What you doing today? I wash clothes. You know, wash the clothes. Too many need to wash. What happened to your feet? I step on the top. That's why the old tags and put it on my foot and under my foot, and then ano ba kalawang sa English? I don't know how it's the English and it's a color of the brown, dark brown, because it's too old. Step on the tack, yes. I step on the tack. And the tack is too old, like it's not. She got a tetanus shot, yeah. You got it, Tim. Thank you, Tim. Rusty. Yeah, the rusty. That's not good. Yes, that's not good.
Forever.
I'm somebody who can love me at my worst. Somebody, 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 somebody. You could get rabies from that. No, not rabies. Rabies. Just tetanus. Anti-tetanus. Tetanus shot. Not rabies. Different from the ano. If animal bite me, I will rabies, but not. It's an attack. It's attack.
Bigaya mo. Relatable. I'm done fighting now.
Wait, guys. Erdem at the 7. Hi, Erdem. At the 7. Hello. Wait lang. Just wait for a minute. Just wait. Hello. Hi, Arden. Thank you for the thumbs up. Do if you start holding up the moon, go back to the doctor. Yeah. Yeah, doc. Thank you, doc. If you start holding, thank you, doc. Jadi ka na naman, dara-dara mo pa yun.
Ano ka? Ay, tinanong ko mo.
Hindi ho.
Ano yan lang?
Camera. Naghali. Wait. Sabi mo si tita mo, Grace. May parcel.
Nagtira.
I was just kidding about the rabies. Ah, okay. Yeah, doc. Thank you, doc.
Ay, nato yun?
Oo. Hi na. Wait lang. Balik kasi ini na ano barya. Wait lang. 10, 20, 30. 30, 40.
Mamaya, bilis. Binulak sa taas dati.
55 ini. 155. Ngayon ka na barya.
Dito na ikot na yan, may magaling malalim na ito lang.
At para sa lumgada.
Don't you want you like I need you, baby? My God, and say, baby. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. What is the longest you ever grew your hair? The longest, maybe 1 year. Yes, 1 year. 2 years before the longest. 1 year. Go my hair. Before I got the hair from here. Then I cut maybe what April I cut my hair. Length. Yes, the length. I Hi Erdim Atas 7. Where are you Erdim? Where from? From Turkey. Okay. Maybe you're young. How old are you, Erdim? I'm good, thank you. Okay. How old are you? You look young. 33. Me? I'm 40 years old. 40. I know, 40. Tara. Don't you want you like I need you, baby? Don't you need you like I need you? Okay, yes, 40. Nice to meet you, Erdem from Turkey. Soon. I'm getting married soon. Where is Tim from? Tim, he's from America. He's American. From US. You, Doc, where are you from, Doc? What state you at? Texas. He's from Texas. Texas, yeah. Doc, where are you from, Doc? Yep. Oh my god. Maybe this time I'll never go fine. Maybe now Macy here. Vilay. I heard everything is big in Texas. I heard everything is big in Texas. Everything is big? What means big? Delay. Okay. Big what? Doc, what means big? I'm in Kentucky and from Alabama. Still USA. Let me explain. Tim, let Tim explain. Okay. Sorry. Everything is big. Oh my god. I'm in Texas, but from Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Okay. Yeah, it's in New Zealand. Okay. I used to live in Louisville because it's okay, because the Texas is the biggest state in USA. Okay, that's why everything is big. Okay. Same here in our province. They said all Bicolano is Oregon, but that's not true. That's um, just saying. Okay, I'm in Lexington. Yeah, okay, Doc. Nice to meet you, Doc. Are you married, Doc? I used to ride at Kinlan. Kinland. Where Kingland? Where the place Kinland? Cool, you ride horses. Wow. Horses. Working Land place is still USA. I did. No, I'm not married. Oh, why? Why not married? But do you have kids, Doc? Why? Why no kids? Oh my god. Are you busy in life when you're young? Yes, all I have even done is work. Okay. What is your work? You are a doctor? Are you a doctor, Doc? Are you a doctor? Coming outside. I'm not a medical doctor. I work in a lab at chemical weapons site. Ah, okay. Are you a chemist? Chemist, maybe. I work for a science company. Ah, okay. That's great, Doc. My nickname was Dr. Brown in high school. Ah, okay. That's why your name here is Doc.
Ubos na ito, mama. Tinapay.
Ubus na, adi, may tuda pa. Ah,
Nagkakaon ka?
a lot of my friends know me as a Doc. Ah, okay. That's why. That's why. Famous you jockey. I think it's a jockey. Yeah. August 10, September. I need to wash the clothes. Thank you, Doc, for joining me here. Bye-bye. See you guys next live. Bye. Bye-bye. Love you po. Love you all. Bye, Doc.